Your next question is: in which country was the scooter invented? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Britain. D. America. The correct answer is C. Britain. Your next question is: for which disease is eating carrots beneficial? These are your options. A. Stone. B. Cancer. C. Heart attack. D. Blood sugar. The correct answer is D. Blood sugar. Your next question is: which tree gives maximum oxygen? These are your options. A. Mango. B. Peepal. C. Jackfruit. D. Banyan. The correct answer is B. Peepal. Your next question is: people of which country can send someone else to jail in their place by paying money? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. France. D. America. The correct answer is A. China. Your next question is: which bird cannot see at night? These are your options. A. Cock. B. Parrot. C. Ostrich. D. Bat. The correct answer is A. Cock. Your next question is: how many kilometers can a human being see? These are your options. A. 10 kilometers. B. 12 kilometers. C. 15 kilometers. D. 20 kilometers. The correct answer is D. 20 kilometers.